Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, sets a new standard. 3 features of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone unveiled. Some models from Samsung's new lineup will be equipped with a pair of chipsets, Snapdragon and Exynos, for greater performance and many other exciting stuff. The new Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup will set the standard for the flagship smartphones in 2024. 3 key decisions will differentiate this phone in the market, as reported by a reputable source Forbes. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. It has already become known about some technical characteristics of the new line of the flagship from Samsung. The media reports that the Galaxy S24 model will come with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal memory. The Galaxy S24 Plus smartphone will receive 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of internal memory from the developers. The third phone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra model, will have a 12GB of RAM and either 256GB, 512GB or 1TB of internal storage. However, over the past few months, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been spotted on the various benchmarking sites and has been listed as a 16GB of model with only 12GB of RAM listed worldwide. Unlike the Galaxy S23 family, where each smartphone was equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, the Galaxy S24 lineup will be powered by a combination of Qualcomm's custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy and Samsung's latest Exynos 2400 processor. More specifically, the Galaxy S24 Ultra model will receive a Snapdragon chipset, and the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will come with a combination of Snapdragon and Exynos chipset. A Forbes analyst suggested that these powerful processors are needed to support AI applications, which the developer is actively implementing. According to the available data, the smartphones are equipped with a main camera with 4 lenses, a 200MP main camera lens, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. The author of the material also believes that the new cameras will correct the shortcomings made in the previous generation models. As for the launch date, it is reported that the new Galaxy S24 lineup will most likely be launched on January 17, 2024. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.